Dipti from India and Dana from Kazakhstan with Balapan Shashtar. I like this song. I will start, Dipti will continue. मेहंदी लगा के रखना,
डोली सजा के रखना,
मेहंदी सजा के रखना,
डोली सजा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना. You know what does it mean? So the bride is, the groom is singing that you apply henna on your hand, be ready.
Yes.
And I will come and take you, marry you and take you to my place. That's what he's saying to the bride.
Yeah. I like this film. I like Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
Thank you.